The Royal Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra just brought 3 new church bells to Liverpool. But where do they come from? The orchestra already owns 4 bells, which were made in the Whitechapel Bell Foundry in London. But it closed in 2017, so the new ones were made in the Netherlands at the Royal Liverpool Foundry. The bells are made of a special, very hard bronze, a mixture of tin and copper, melted down and poured into each cast. After the metal has cooled, the casts are removed, revealing the bells for the first time. The excess sand is scraped off, and once polished and tuned, the bells are sprayed with graphite powder for a darker finish. The bells are finally shipped to the Liverpool Philharmonic Hall, where they will be played for the first time by percussion section leader Graham Jones.